Healthy NuLiving is no longer a network marketing opportunity. So what the hell is they? What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, last year I got involved with a network marketing opportunity, a new company by the name of Healthy NuLiving. Now, I was with this company for about maybe 3-4 months, and I was super excited about this opportunity. I got introduced to it by somebody who has recommended some pretty cool things in the past. So I took a look at it. I liked everything I saw, jumped right in, actually started making some money with this opportunity, and then just things went all wrong. So if you're not familiar with what Healthy NuLiving is or was, it's a health and wellness company. Their big thing is to sell affordable supplements to people and allow people to generate their own income by referring other people to Healthy NuLiving, your traditional network marketing, affiliate marketing type program. All right, so when I jumped into the program, I liked everything about it. I liked the compensation plan. I really did like the products. I actually was on a couple of their webinars. I even hosted a damn webinar for Healthy NuLiving. But like I said, I really did enjoy their products. And so, I was cool with it. But being involved with this company 3 or 4 months, in that period, they made some pretty serious changes that affected, in my opinion, and a lot of other people, the actual, the marketers of the company. It made it really difficult to promote Healthy NuLiving because they kept changing everything. They kept changing the compensation plan. They kept changing the commissions. They kept changing the structure. And it just got a little like, man, what is y'all doing? What really ended, my relationship with Healthy NuLiving was when they made this final change where they just really raised the prices to get involved with Healthy NuLiving. They went against everything that they was all about at the very beginning. They made everything more expensive to get involved with the opportunity. They made everything was just completely complicated, and they just did it out the blue, right? They just changed everything. So a lot of people left Healthy NuLiving, and I would say 95% went over to Live Good, and that's where I'm at right now. And so far, I'm feeling Live Good. So I haven't heard anything in the past few months about Healthy NuLiving. Like, honestly, I thought they were shut down, right? Because I don't see anybody talk about it anymore. So a couple weeks ago, right, I was on my Facebook and I got a notification like ding, right? Actually, it came up on my phone, and it was like from a group that I was involved with when I was involved with Healthy NuLiving. So apparently Healthy NuLiving is still going down. They still making moves. They still selling products. But one thing that they announced in the group chat was they are no longer a network marketing opportunity, right? They are officially a affiliate program, right? So no more like, oh, you got to pay all this money to get started. You just sign up, you pay like an affiliate fee, and then you can earn, I think 10% on all the products that you promote. And I think it's just a 2-tier. So you can make money by promoting the products, getting other people to join Healthy NuLiving, and then you can make, I believe, a percentage of whatever that person makes. So it's basically just a 2-tier affiliate program right now. Now, one thing that I did notice is they are charging a $10 affiliate member fee. To be able to be an affiliate, you have to pay $10 a month, and then you can promote the products and get, other affiliates, right? Now, this is obviously to compete with Live Good, because if you haven't heard of Live Good, like, they're still like a network marketing, affiliate marketing opportunity, and their whole thing is you pay $9.95 a month, basically $10 a month, right? And you get the ability to build residual income plus get products at a discount as well. So I do feel like Healthy NuLiving is trying to compete with Live Good. I think that's why they went to the affiliate model, just because whoever was running a network marketing like for Healthy NuLiving, they just, I don't know what the hell they was doing. I don't know. It was a mess. Like everything was just out of whack, right? Seriously. So I don't know if it's running a lot smoother now as just an affiliate opportunity, but I will say my advice, because I did, like I said, I did like Healthy NuLiving products. I'm in the gummy products. They had a lot of gummy products and energy products and stuff like that, which I like. But honestly, I think Healthy NuLiving needs to just get rid of that $10 a month fee, right? Because as a well-seasoned affiliate marketer, there's a lot of affiliate programs that you don't have to pay a monthly membership just to be an affiliate, right? Because even with Live Good is taking the idea of having a membership, right? Like a Sam's Club or Costco or whatever. And this membership fee is going to allow you to get very, very discounted products, right? Plus give you the ability to build your own team of other people involved with Live Good, right? So that's what they're like. Live Good's $10 a month fee is justified. It makes sense. But by Healthy NuLiving switching everything around and trying to be like, yo, we just affiliate, you know what I'm saying? Like, just come promote our products, baby. You know what I'm saying? Earn some commission. But then you're going to charge $10. Like, huh? Like, why don't y'all just, which they probably going to end up doing, man. Look, Healthy NuLiving, just make the program a 2-tier affiliate program. Just be a supplement brand or company or whatever. That's my advice, because by you switching over to, $10 a month to make people pay to be an affiliate, trying to compete with Live Good is on fire right now. Like, that's not making people like want to come back to Healthy NuLiving. Trust me on that. Live Good is like, right now, Live Good is living up to the hype, right? They got dope products. The compensation plan is cool. The way the business is being run, the team behind Live Good, everything is just like 2-3 levels above what Healthy NuLiving was doing. So my advice is Healthy NuLiving, just become a 2-tier affiliate program. Now, do I recommend Healthy NuLiving? All right. I don't know. Just because, last year the way that business was ran was just so unorganized and so like unprofessional. I don't know. But if they get their thing together and they really just make it like, hey, you can sign up, you can promote their products and get a commission. If they can do that and make that run smoothly, then there's no reason why you can't go over there if you are into the fitness and if you're into the supplement game and you're not really trying to build a team, you're not really trying to build a team of, network marketers or anything like that, then yeah, give it a shot, but do your little research first and see what's going on with the company before you really invest and start promoting their products and really getting out there with this company. So like I said, I am now with Live Good and I've been with them for about 6 weeks now. Loving them so far, loving the opportunity, loving the company, loving the team behind it. So far, so good with Live Good. If you want to check it out for yourself right now, all you need to do is click the first link in the description. You know how this works. Check it out for yourself and hopefully I will see you on the team.